Well, hopefully this angle will work. I'm turning these blanks, slugs, whatever, into the spindle spacer for the 311 and 411 brake kits. And since I have the little chuck clamped inside the big one, I put the chuck key for the big one out of my reach so I don't just grab it and pop that loose. So anyway, there's only about a 1/4 inch of jaw grabbing them, just like with the when I do the truck adapters. And basically what I did was I took the 521 code in Fusion that I like so much, that does a really good job on it, and I used it as a template in Fusion to do these. So everything is pretty dang similar. The speeds and feeds are all the same, so I'm expecting it to work pretty nice. I changed it up from the last time. Before I did just the face and the outside, and then I came in and I did a little bit on the inside just to cut the burr out, basically, so that, or cut a little meat out, so that when it did the fillet on the other side, it wouldn't have to go all the way up to the very edge here. But I'm doing it more like the 521, the truck adapters, so I'm able to get in here close to the face of the jaws in here and do the actual ID bore as well as the OD and the face. And then when I flip it over, it's just going to be the fillet, just like on the trucks. And I'll grab it from the outside. It is so smooth. No Scotch-Brite, no nothing. No burrs. I do that tiny little chamfer on the inside, then the big one on the outside here. Oh man, I am so happy with that. Yeah, see, there's that burr. Not too worried about it, because when I put it back in, and I'm going to grab from the outside, I went ahead and normally I didn't do the inside diameter like that, but this way it stays perfectly concentric, just like it does on the truck adapters. Yeah, I think it got in focus there. So now what I do is I only back it off like a thousandths, because the next one should be pretty close. So that way when I put it into the next one, it's already pretty close. I don't have to hunt and find and that stuff, and I just check it, and oh yeah, it's like it comes right up to it within, you know, just a tiny bit, and I just back it off one and pull it out. So the IDs are coming out right on the money. 1.179. The outside of the seal rides on it, a rubber seal, so it's just got to be within a thou or two. And that says 90, 1.8, 1.89, which is exactly right on the money. Might be a few tenths plus or minus. I don't care about that. You know, all 3-jaw chucks are, you know, got some wow in them, some variance. Doesn't have to be on 0. I'm just looking for the swing. Now, I was fighting with a lot of swing. I mean, like 5-6 thousandths. I have no clue what changed. I even repositioned the chuck and the jaws, and I got it down to, you know, 3 or 4. But why it's that accurate, I don't know. But I'll take it. So I've been checking each one because it makes it to where that fillet blends in better. Trying to make sure there aren't any burrs in there when I turn it on.